Hello everybody, so I have Mr. Hemant here with me who is going to share his experience and knowledge in terms of how ASIRT has helped him. So Hemant ji, how has been your experience being part of ASIRT?
ASIRT is like a family, and the growth and the business opportunity which we get in ASIRT is unbelievable. Some of the collaboration which we have done has really changed the way in which we look at ASIRT community as a partner and not as a competition. That is all I can tell about ASIRT.
So have you collaborated with any existing members of ASIRT? Have you promoted their products and services to their customers or your customers, or have they promoted your services to their customers? Has it ever happened?
Yeah. There's a lot of things has happened, and there are really good big orders which have come in. And to name one, Tushar Parts, and we collaborated for a big business for software,
Oh wow.
which is worth more than a crore of rupees.
Oh wow.
So that is a huge amount for us, at least.
And I'm sure that would have never been possible without being here at this platform.
Yeah, absolutely. There is absolutely without partnering with some of the ASSERT members, it would never be impossible at all.
True, true. One more thing I want to ask you, interacting with any ASSERT member on regular basis, has it helped you somewhere in growing your mindset, business, your strategy, or giving you a larger perspective towards something other than just money, how it has added value to your business?
See, to tell you really, every member of ASSERT is a business owner. So they have been running successful business. And when you run a successful business, there is a lot of mindset which goes into a successful business. So understanding their mindset is a key thing which we can use in our business also. So that is the biggest advantage, that everybody is a business owner, and their thinking, their approach, the way in which they do business, the way in which they interact, this all helps in our business also.
Great. Thank you so much for your time. It was a pleasure talking to you.